happening? It's very windy with some rain. Look at that, it's a hurricane. We're in the eye of a hurricane. Look at the winds. Look at the strong winds. They're pushing the rain, but there's no tornado. Look at, if you hear that, that means the wind is pushing the rain. Insane, but it's no hail. See, this could be a power outages. Insane, it's raining crazy hot. I mean, it's raining. It's raining so much. Look at the wind. Look at that. Insane. Oh my freaking God. Okay, now you can see the rain from the living room. Oh, you saw that? That was lightning. There's rain getting everywhere in our windows. You can see here. Whoa, you heard that? That's the wind. It's a hurricane, everybody. We're in the eye of a hurricane. It looks like we're in the eye of a hurricane, guys. And it's very windy, of course. Look at the rain. The wind is pushing it so hard. Would you look at that? It just scared me, of course. Whoa! Look at that.
Oh.
Would you look at that? The window's getting so wet. Whoa! Luckily, it's not gonna hail. No tornado. We're in a. Whoa! Did you see that? That was lightning. Did you see that, guys? Incredibly insane. Yeah. Look at this. The tree branches are about to fall. Yeah, the hail makes some tornadoes. See? Hail makes tornadoes. There's no tornado, no hail. Look at the strong winds pushing the trees in the wind. It's already heavy thunderstorms. It just started quickly, 1 minute ago. Insane.
Oh, what the
Would you look at that?
Moody?
The rain is trying to come in the house. I mean, apartment, of course. Well, look at this.
How to dunk that?
Here, my chicks in here. They're big already, but they're gonna get more bigger. He's my parakeet budgie. Whoa,
Oh my God.
God, you gotta calm down. Don't worry about the thunderstorm. Don't be scared. It's not scary. Well, would you look at that? It's raining bad crazy. It's raining crazy as hell. Insane! Oh, yo. Now let's go back here. Okay, guys, looks like the wind has stopped. Yeah, it looks like the wind stopped, pushing the rain. And now it's gonna be rain. I mean, heavy rain, of course, with wind. Look at this. Insane. Yeah, of course, it's still raining. Whoa. Excuse me, I almost fell. Well, looks like the wind is done. So, let's keep going into the living room. See more rain. I mean, thunderstorms. Okay, looks like the rain is stopping already. Looks like it's stopping. And gotta put my phone to charge so you see. Oh wait, never mind. There's more wind pushing. Look at that. So bye-bye.